Why aren't your vegetables growing? Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and we're going to talk about why your vegetables aren't growing. And a lot of people ask me, I've planted some seeds, Ben, and they're not germinating or they're not growing. Sometimes it can be down to the old seed packets if they're old and they've been hanging around for a while and they're no good anymore. And yeah, that might be one of the reasons why. Or it might not be warm enough in your greenhouse yet if you're growing them in an unheated greenhouse. That's one of the reasons why they don't germinate. And obviously poor and lack of soil and the good nutrition in it. Make sure you get a good seed compost when you're growing your seeds. And I always put cling film on top of mine to keep them warmer, keep them moist, and that speeds up the germination of them. Next up is poor soil. If you've got poor soil in your garden, make sure you add some nutrition into it and soil improvement, and hopefully that will help produce better vegetables. Not enough sunlight. My plot gets a lot of shade on it, so plan your plot according to how much sunlight you want to have. Stay down on your plot for a full day and see where the sun actually goes on it and see what can be grown where. Obviously, like potatoes can be grown in a shady area because they're growing underground, but have a look and see what vegetables can grow in sunlight and not in sunlight. Plan your plot according to the sun. Overcrowding. Some people think, oh, I'll just plant another thing in there and plant another thing in there, I've got space. But that's not always the case. Leave room in between your plants so that you can weed them and that they can grow to the full size that are needed. And don't overcrowd the plants or you won't get good harvests, as they're all fighting for nutrition, they're all fighting for water. So make sure you leave enough space in between the plants and use it wisely. Less vegetables sometimes means better harvests. Lack of consistent watering. Now, when it gets to summer, you will need to go down to your plot most days and water. Obviously, the best time in the day is usually early on in the morning before the heat starts. That's when I usually like to water. And if you water at night, that's when the slugs come out. So it's best off watering early in the morning every day and getting it over and done with. And then you can sit back and relax and enjoy your garden. Pests or diseases. Go around and check for pests on a regular basis, like if you're growing your cabbages and cauliflowers. Check under the leaves, make sure that there's no eggs from butterflies in them. And yeah, check on them on a regular basis and see how they're doing. If you think you've got a disease on your plant, get rid of it, burn it. Don't put it in the compost heap because it can spread the disease. And yeah, get rid of the plant if it's not looking good at all. Improving your soil and your spacing will get you better harvests in the long run. So you need to nurture it to get good harvests. So I hope you found these tips useful. Drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.